Hop into the 2022 Honda Pilot. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a Honda Pilot, the refined, spacious family SUV that keeps you safe, comfortable, and in command on every adventure. From all-weather and towing capability to comfortable cruising, it's the ultimate family vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, heated mirrors, backup camera, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls. You deserve to take the high road on every family adventure. Get behind the wheel of this powerful Honda Pilot today.